Hello everybody, my name is Kevin Chang from Bareroot Nation, where we focus on growing rare and exotic fruit. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a product that I stumbled on a couple years ago called IVOrganic's 3-in-1 Plant Guard, and how I use this to protect my trees from sunburn, insects, and rodents. Right here we have two of the products that I like to use from IVOrganics. This one right here in the yellow can is the 3-in-1 Plant Guard. Protects against damaging sunburn, insects, and rodents. It comes in 3 different colors: green, white, and brown. I personally like to use the green because it blends in with the foliage a little bit better. Over here we have the IVOrganics Whitewash. Protects against damaging summer sunburn and winter sun scald. This one doesn't contain as much oils or any of the oils that it does in this one, so it doesn't really protect against insects or rodents. Also, I have the IVOrganic 3-in-1 Plant Guard ready to use spray, which is just like the one in the yellow can but in a very convenient spray bottle. Behind me I have over 250 different varieties of fruit, so it's a lot of trial and error in finding what I can use to protect my trees at a very affordable price, and of course with a product that actually works. And this is what I've come to find that works best for me. So when you get the can of IVOrganics, you're going to pop open the lid, and inside the lid you're going to find a bag of powder. It's either going to be green, white, or brown. And then there's going to be a vial of the oils. What you're going to do to apply it to a minimum of 12 to 13 trees, you're going to get the entire vial of oil and the entire bag, and you're going to put it in here and top it off with water, and then you're going to mix it up. As you can see, if you zoom in over here, I went and pre-mixed more than 3/4 of the bag into here so I can show you, and it turns out to a green soupiness. And then you're going to get yourself a paintbrush and make sure that you keep mixing it every few minutes to keep everything together. You're going to dip it, and then you're just going to apply it very gently to the bark. You don't have to have a brush this big. You can get one any size that you want for whatever plant you're particularly working on, but it's just as simple as that. So here I got the 3-in-1 Plant Guard, and I'm going to show you guys how I apply it to this little avocado that I got over here that I rescued from Home Depot. Super sad, so hopefully we'll cheer them on up. Here I already have a pre-mixed can, so I'm going to go ahead and dip the paintbrush in there. Make sure every few minutes you mix up the paint, and you just generously apply it on here. There you go. Make sure you get all the branches and the main stems. Avocados don't have bark, so something like this sun guard is very critical to having avocados happy. We're just going to do a quick one layer so you can see how I apply it. And then we'll end up doing this once or twice throughout the entire year as needed. So we just finished painting our first layer. The way I like to do it is I paint 2 thin layers, and that seems to work the best for me rather than just making a big gloppy paste. And as you can see, now that it's painted fully green compared to the other ones that already had the IVOrganics a couple seasons prior, these ones are looking a lot healthier and they're not damaged from the sun, which they normally would if you have them in full sun like this as seedlings. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed today's video where we went over how we used IVOrganic's 3-in-1 plant guard to protect our trees from sunburn, insects, and rodents. We also went over how we applied it and the difference between a tree that had it applied and a tree that didn't have it applied. If you like that, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below on what you would like to see in our future videos. We'll also be providing links in the description of where you can buy IVOrganics. Hope you guys have a great day and keep on gardening.